Hey everybody, Rorree here. I just wanted to talk to you guys for a minute while I get my coffee together. I wanted to share some things about being a homeschool mom. I've been a homeschool mom for several years, and it's been quite an experience. But as I've been through this process, I really wanted to share some feedback that might help others who are also homeschool moms or homeschool parents. There are things that you have to figure out on your own, many things that you have to figure out on your own. I know in the place that I live, the website for the homeschool parents is so chaotic, there's so much going on that it's really hard to follow the website. So a lot of what I did, I learned on my own. I might have seen something on the website that gave me a pointer or whatever, but there really isn't anybody to talk to coach you on how to do this thing successfully. So I was like, let me share with some people, because boy, if I had some bumps and bruises in this process, and it hasn't been fun all the time. I'm just being honest. So there are a number of things to consider and to think about, especially if it's your desire for the homeschool experience to not be permanent. Like if you desire for your child to re-enter the school system, there are things that you need to think about. While your child is being homeschooled, you have to think about socialization and things of that nature. Even if your child is an introvert, like I met a introvert the other day who's a homeschool child, and he was telling me he was participating in a class that I was taking, an athletic class, and he was sharing with me how he's an introvert and he actually liked taking this athletic class with all these older people. And I noticed that many of us engage with him and communicate with him and things of that nature. So he might feel more comfortable with that. And he did share that with me. But anyway, so I'm going to do a series of videos that can help other homeschool parents wherever you live, and I'm going to give you pointers as to what to look for in your county or state, what can help you, especially if you plan on transitioning back to public school at some point, so that your child can maybe have a public school experience or an experience with more children than less children, because there are programs for homeschoolers as well, but there are usually few children in those programs. So anyway, stay tuned. I'm going to give you more tips and things that you can do if you're a homeschool parent. Alrighty.